When it comes to improving the energy efficiency of your home, having proper insulation is crucial. At Williams Air Conditioning and Heating, our insulation contractor provides professional insulation services to help you save on energy bills and maintain a comfortable home throughout the year. Our team of skilled technicians can evaluate your home's insulation needs and expertly install batt insulation, radiant barriers, and more. We also offer energy audits to pinpoint areas where you can enhance your home's energy efficiency. By utilizing our insulation services, you may be eligible for rebates and reduce your energy costs. Contact us today to learn more about our services and how we can assist you. Who are the top insulation contractors in Goodyear, Arizona? The top insulation contractors in Goodyear, Arizona prioritize energy efficiency and customer satisfaction. Williams Air Conditioning and Heating is one such contractor, offering a variety of insulation services. Whether you need insulation for new construction or want to upgrade your existing insulation, our reputable insulation contractor Goodyear, Arizona at Williams Air Conditioning and Heating can provide the expertise and service you need. Who is the most affordable insulation contractor in Goodyear, Arizona? If you need an affordable insulation contractor in Goodyear, Arizona, look no further than Williams Air Conditioning and Heating. Our team specializes in energy-efficient solutions, including insulation installation, to help you save on energy costs. We also offer a variety of other affordable services such as HVAC maintenance, and more. What is the service area of the insulation contractor Goodyear, Arizona? Our insulation contractor offers insulation services throughout Goodyear, Arizona, Phoenix, Tempe, Scottsdale, Chandler, Peoria, New River, Cave Creek, Mesa, Glendale, Litchfield Park, Fountain Hills, Gilbert, Buckeye, and Whitman, Arizona. Where is the insulation contractor Goodyear, Arizona located? We are located at 15359 West Morning Glory Street, Goodyear, Arizona, 85338. Our phone number is 623-439-8309. Visit our website at www.williamsairandheating.com.